Alright, today's job, since it's raining, is to sort out these ramps. They came with this trailer and I already modified them slightly at this end to hook them on better, but as you can see they don't stay straight anymore. They were all, I mean the wee 1.5 ton digger went up them okay, but the bigger one bent them. I did straighten them, but they're staying, they're not strong enough. So that's only 2x1 box steel, probably okay for a car or whatever, but not for plant. So picked up this, which is 60mm by 12mm flat bar, and the plan is to weld that, straighten these and then weld that up the side here, and that should give them far more strength. I haven't decided yet, these are 7 foot long. I haven't decided yet whether to make them longer. I could make them longer, I just have to get another piece of stuff to add in here and a bit more box steel to extend it. I could potentially steel these wee bits, these cross pieces here, and then add that on here to make them a foot longer. Yeah, but either way, we're going to get this steel welded on, and we'll probably paint them as well because they're going to start to rust pretty bad. So let's get going. Well, that has worked pretty good. This one has straightened up real nice. The other one, although it is sort of overall straight, it's got like a weird kink in it. You maybe can't see about halfway along, but I think with that flat up it'll be fine. I don't think I'll bother. Don't think I'll bother making them any longer. I don't have any 2x1 box for a start, and eventually I would like to convert that trailer to a tilt trailer, so I really won't want or need long heavy ramps anymore. So these will do for now, just to get the digger off and on. I mean, you can get Jeeps and all, vans and stuff on the trailer with these ramps. Had a bit of trouble with a small car one time, but don't really plan on moving much of those. So yeah, I'm going to cut these at an angle here. These pieces are flat here at an angle, and run them down and then cut them back at an angle here to follow that foot, and they'll probably only stick out. They're 60mm, so they'll only stick out to there, so they'll actually fit quite nice. Well, that would have been very annoying if I measured twice and cut once. I measured it at 2 meters, it was 2.1 actually, and I measured it, wrote down 2 meters here, and it's actually 2.1. Pretty good. I'll be able to run a big thick weld in here, and obviously be able to weld in here along the top and here at the back, and then that'll still drop into the bar on the trailer. The bar on the trailer will drop in here, and that stops it sliding off the trailer, and then the extra weight is also taken on the bed of the trailer here with this piece. So cut another one for the other side, and then we can weld that one on. Ramps prepped, steelworks prepped. It actually sits quite well on the bench like that. So I'm going to put a G-clamp here, make sure it's flush, clamp it on, run a few tack welds on it, then go up to the other end, clamp it on, make sure it's straight, and it really is as straight as it needs to be along there. So I'm happy with that. I'm just going to get the welder out and get started on that. What's going on with this welder? Alright, finished that one. Weld it all along the top, just because I think it looks better. But I didn't think this would happen, but it did. It did actually bow with the heat, so it started to bow that way, always, which is annoying. But while it was still warm, I've used the straightener on it, so it is straight now. For the next one, I'll probably just move to the end, you know, stagger where I'm welding to keep the temperature down. I'm going to start the other one now, but it's going to be exactly the same, so if you want to watch me do it, just watch this part again, and then we'll catch up when it's time to paint them. The wind is definitely picking up here. Too dead to be working inside, as long as no roofs disappear off into the field. There we go! Set of ramps finished. Well, the welding's finished. They turned out pretty good. Nice and straight. There's the welding on the back. These are quite heavy now. I would estimate probably 65 kilos, 70 kilos each. So they're not the lightest ramps, but if they don't bend, they'll do the job. I was going to paint them with red oxide primer, but I can't find any, so I'm going to use some black paint that I already have. Not really too worried about painting this, it'll probably all come off. Just give it a quick coat. Just want to get these painted, stop them rusting bad, because they're actually look quite nice now. Yeah, we'll get these painted up and hope they work, because I haven't actually tested them, but they should be okay. I don't know what these were made for, but they were made quite well. I like the metal on the front, and the cross braces are good, but why did they not just use good steel on the sides? Like, why, if you're going to go to that effort of making them, why don't you use something heavy? You could have used 3x2 channel there, or 4x2 box section or something, and made some real good strong ramps once. I mean, yeah, they probably could have maybe have been for a lawnmower or a quad or something, but even still, they were a bit late. Would you look at that? They look pretty good. Paint's finished nice. You can still be tiny bits of rust in there, but they'll be fine. But the big question is, do they work? So there's only one way to find out. They work! Again, it got a bit slippy there, so not sure. I would have thought that would have gripped okay, but apparently it didn't. Maybe it's just a bit wet. But yeah, they didn't bend, which is good. They worked well, stayed straight. Might need to do something about the grip, but probably just with it being wet here at the minute. So yeah, I'm going to finish this video and catch you on the next one.